Hi guys, it's Ross, and today I'm going to show you how I make a really nice coffee. I've got this special stovetop coffee machine. I don't think you can get them in America. I've never seen anything like them before. They make cappuccinos, so I'm going to have a go at making a cappuccino. Sorry I'm filming on the phone, I know it goes like a really thin picture, but to be bothered, can't be bothered to put the other thing upstairs. Plug everything in. So right, the first thing you want to do is it comes in three parts. There's that part, and this part. Now, bear with me a second. Let me just. Right now, what you want to do? I might try sticking one of the wide-angle lenses on this actually. Anyway, what you want to do is in the bottom of there. Maybe a bit dirty because I've just had a cup of coffee, but I'm going to make another one. Right, 100 millilitres of water. It comes with a measured thing, so you pour that in there. Right. Now you take this coffee grout filter thing. I don't know if you've got these, if they have these in America, but I mean in the UK I've never seen them before. By the way, if you're wondering what that screw is, it's a pressure valve, so it doesn't explode if you do it wrong. Right. Now what you want in it is powdered coffee like this. This is the. I'll try and get it under the light. Finely ground stuff. Lovely. That's the finely ground stuff, just like they made specifically for coffee machines. Do we have any? No. Like I said, sorry about the mess. We've only just had dinner. All right. Now, I believe you fill this up to the top with the coffee grounds. Now, this makes 2 cups of coffee, and you can also get 1 cup. Now, my dad's friend got this when he went to Italy. I don't think you can't buy them in the UK. You may be able to buy them over the internet, but you definitely can't buy them in the UK. Because you were looked everywhere for about a year. Put that to the side. Right, just make sure it's all in. I mean, I might start doing vlogs like this, just with the little camera. Right, now what you do now is you screw this on the top. So I'm trying to figure out how to hold it, because there's no oh, there we go. I don't know if you caught any of that, but it's on. Now, in the top here is this. Now, what you want to put in the top is... Actually, no, I'll drink out of another... I'll use the same mug you're drinking out to measure out the milk. So... Should I drink that white one? Right. Now... we're running out of milk. Right, now you want to fill this almost full. Like I said, it makes 2 cups. Right. Now, what I like to do, it doesn't say it on the instructions, but yeah, I don't know because the instructions are in Italian. Right, what you want to do is you want to take the milk. I'll dig it in the microwave for 15 seconds, maybe 20. But yeah, I mean, I absolutely, this coffee is absolutely delicious. Right. That's just taking the chill out of it. So now what you want to do is just pour the milk into the top. Now, just want to close down the lid. I'll move the... Oh. Oh yeah, it's lit. Right, now make sure you push down this. Let me... Yeah, push that down. Now what it does is the steam in this bottom basin distills up through the coffee, goes through that chute in the top, and then sprays out into the coffee. You'll hear it in a minute. You'll hear it as it sprays out. Doesn't take long though at all, especially if I turn it up a bit. But no, just so you want, it's called a. Oh look, you can hear something. Barelti Mucker Express. You'll hear it when it goes. It makes this noise. And then you can hear it when it sprays. I think that's just the air pressure being released. Turning out to be a very, very long video. I mainly just did this just so I could show you it, 'cause I thought it was quite cool. Like I said, I don't know if you got these in America. I mean, we even looked when we went to France last year, still couldn't find them. Like the water's boiling, you can hear it now. It'll start spraying in a sec. Definitely press down. Should start spraying soon. Hopefully. Done it right. Oh, crap. Oh, great, right. What I think I've done is I haven't screwed it on properly. And there's coffee pouring out the bottom. Oh look, there it goes, look. As soon as that starts spraying, it's ready. You hear that? That is the sound of success. Now that should stop spraying in a minute. Slowly die down. And then you turn it off. But no, I don't think I screwed it in properly, but still it didn't matter. I believe you can get this Mukau finish, and you can also get a stainless steel finish, but hear that click? Right, that means it's done. Take it off the stove. See in there? So that little bit there twirls around. In fact, I might pour a bit of that off so I get some more. coffee foam. Yeah. It does do 2 small cups. So, not large cups. But seeing as I'm the only one having any at the moment. There you go. Oh, crap. Right. I say crap a lot. So, thanks for watching. And that is how you... I just thought I'd show you my really cool coffee maker. Just to recap, it's called the Burratelli Mocha Express. So, I mean, see if you get it on the internet. I think it's about 40 pound, which is, what, $50 maybe? And the coffee I was using was just a Dow Egberts. I think it's called Time Together. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.